Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video you will understand that what is object oriented programming, what are classes, what is an object, and you will see some programs which are based on object oriented programming. So let's get started. So see that before talking about object oriented programming, you need to know about procedure oriented programming. What is a procedure oriented programming? Right? So see that here. Procedure oriented means emphasizing on task, procedure, algorithm. So this emphasizes on task or procedure or you can say that algorithm. How task would be performed. Now if we talk about object oriented, so this as name indicates it object, so it focuses on data or you can say that object. So what are objects? Object you can say that any entity in real life. For example, it may be your bank account. So your bank account will have balance, account holder or name of account holder. So these are you can say that attributes. It will have some behavior or methods. Actually these are functions, but in object oriented paradigm you will say them methods. So like deposit and withdraw. So what does object oriented do? It packs functions and attributes or function and methods, attributes and behavior. There are many terminologies, attributes and behavior just are methods. And that would be related to a certain kind of object. So see that deposit and withdraw, that would be used in banking terminology, not for everywhere. So balance, name, these are attributes, and two functions would be used like deposit, withdraw. There may be others also. So that would be, you can say that actually in object oriented terminology it is called class. Well, actual values would be there, that would be an object or instance of class is an object. So in this video I'm just going to show you practical way, and gradually you will understand what are classes, what are objects, and in every videos I will explain you some concept of object oriented. So let's see that. I'm going to create a class. So I'm also writing here class is a blueprint. Blueprint for an object. Just a template. And when you fill the actual value, that would become an object. And you can create many objects of that kind of template, having that template. So let's see that an example. I will try to make you understand. So here, to implement it, you will define a class, and class contains attributes and methods. So you will use class keyword in Python. Thereafter, class I will create bank account. And you have to put semicolon because class is a compound statement. It means it is not single executable statement, but it contains more statements, group of statements. And thereafter, see that you must be familiar with function. So here I am going to define a function which is actually it is provided by Python. So that is init. Init function, 2 underscores before init, and after init you will require 2 underscores. Thereafter parenthesis and here. Now see that here I haven't passed any arguments in this function. But for my purpose, you can leave it for your purpose, but in this case, bank account case, at least I want to pass two argument. Here it would be parameters. So self, I will explain what is self also. Name, thereafter BAL, balance it stands for. Thereafter, don't worry, you will understand that all the things. Just I am making a class or creating, or I am defining function inside class. So just self, name, balance. So I will write self dot balance. First of all, let me write the account holder. Account holder. Actually, that is the name. Is equal to name. Right? So self dot account holder is referring to name. Thereafter, self dot balance is equal to BAL, that is the balance, right? So here what will happen, a class bank account, or you can say that you have given a template. Now what will happen, there it is actually template bank account, and it has two attributes. You can say that AC holder, account holder, or AC holder, and balance. These are the attributes. Behavior I haven't defined here. So these two attributes. Now let us create an account, or you can say that create an instance of this class. So here just I'm creating an object AC account number 4000. You see that how will you create? You will just AC 4000 is equal to bank account class name, actually bank account, and you will pass two arguments. First I am writing name, so Ramesh I am giving, thereafter in comma and balance 5000, right? So see that what will happen here. Now here it was class bank account, now account holder, and the second one at second attribute is balance. See that simply attributes are variables and behavior are functions. They are packed into a class, and an object is just, you can say that, and instead of that all packed variable combined. See that bank account is here. Now this is the object AC 4000 Ramesh and 5000. So this is an object of bank account type. So it is created here. Now how will you print account holder and balance? We will see that. Now see that what happens here. Actually this init is called constructor function. Constructor method is appropriate word, constructor method. So if you are using a function having class name, so this init function will get called automatically, and first argument would be object name. AC 4000 is self, and here see that self is not a keyword in Python. Now second argument Ramesh, here name, and balance refers 5000, and see that here object is created and variables account holder is initialized by name and balance is initialized by bal, right? So see that here I am going to erase, and let us print. How will you print? So you will print using print function object AC 4000 dot account holder, print balance. For which object? AC 4000 balance. Ramesh and 5000. Now I am creating another object. So another object, just AC 5000. This is the account number, and you will use again class name, in which you are going to pass name and balance. $6,000 I'm just going to write here. So object AC 5000 is created. Actually AC 5000 is a variable, but it has two properties, name and balance also. Now object is created. So here instead of name there should be a real name. So I am just writing Dinesh. So another account number is created. See that two objects are created. AC 4000, and this will have two attributes. Ramesh, second one is 5000, that it is like bank account. Another one is AC 5000 Dinesh 6000. So if you want to access these two things, so you have to use AC 5000, that is account name dot name, right? AC 5000 balance. Then you would be able to access these values. So these values are associated with this object, and see that these two values are associated with this object, is AC 4000. So see that it secures data, unauthorized access from others module or others object. So it is also very manageable. So here see that I am creating another object. Here I have already created. Thereafter I want to print name of account holder, which account number is 5000. So just I need to use print